everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today's video would be huge Dollar Tree haul that I made, and it's one of my favorite store as it's like budget friendly and they have really cool stuff. So I'm going to use most of the items that I made purchased at Dollar Tree. I'm going to use in upcoming projects. So yeah, let's get started. So I saw this nice nail paint, purple and this gray. It's got like nice sparkly stuff inside and can't wait to use them. And it's, two for $1. Can't beat that. I love this. And I also got a gel. Can't believe I can find gel nail color at Dollar Tree. So I got two of them. So there's no need of any light. So I got green and blue, green and pink. So I'll also wear them in one of the videos and show you. And I also got this nail art kit, and it's got like a bonus tool. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to also tell the review on how it turned out. And I have this citrus loofah soap, and I saw this in Walmart and Target sometimes, and it was like some $2 or $3, and for $1 it's really a good price. And one of the headband pearls, it's so beautiful and expensive looking, so I'm going to wear them. So this is one of the cute stuff that I got. And tweezer set with mirror. And those are the makeup stuff. And I got this two for $1 Himalayan pink salt lip balm with shea butter. I love this. It's 50 cents each. Can't beat that. And let's get into some of the perfume. Bottle diffuser. I think it's like an oil diffuser. Got 3 of them. Garden Rain and Rose. And I had bought this in the past as well, and they work really well. So these are some of the. And I got this one, a basket. So I saw one of the videos online, and one of the YouTuber made like a lampshade with a solar lamp, and I'm going to post her details and also make a video on this and show how it turned out. I'm going to use the stake light. I'm going to use like this. And I'll make a video how it turns, how it's gonna look. So this is that, and some of these night bulbs for $1. And I got some candles. Lavender is my favorite color and also the favorite fragrance. So I'm gonna use these candles. 4 for $1. Can't beat that. Car perfume. 2 for $1. And these two. 3 for $1. And my crafter's glue. I need this a lot. So I just got 4 of them. It works really well. Fix all. Some adhesive spray. I got this nice decorative tape. How cool is that? 5 of them for $1. I'm going to use in one of the projects. craft glue. I haven't used this. I want to use and see how good that is, and I'm going to give you a review on that. Acrylic paint. I want this for one of my projects. And this one is a fabric paint. So I want to see how it's, I haven't tried this one as well, so I'm going to give you a review on how it's working. And clear glue, I haven't seen this. I've seen like a school glue in white, but this is a clear glue. So I need this as well. Sparkle mesh. They are in almost all the colors I wanted in gold and silver. I want to use these two also. This is like stickers, glass stickers. It's so pretty. I'm going to put it on the wall in my daughter's room maybe, or ceiling. I'll see where it goes. And I have got the stencils. I'm going to use this somewhere in one of my projects. I picked 2 of them, and these work really well. I've used in the past, and I really enjoyed working with this. So I'm going to use these 2 in one of my projects. Now I want this wood craft cubes. I want to use this as a feed, or maybe somewhere where it is. I'm going to use in one of the projects. I'll show where I'm using it. And foam brushes, of course. I need this. And mirror frames. I'm going to use this for, want to do a project with this. And I got some more decorative frames. 2 of them, white ones. And in the past also I got this 3.5 by 5 frames, and I stuck it to the switchboard as a beautiful cover. I'm going to make a video and show of these 2. This one also I'm going to use, and use 4 by 6 also to one of my switchboard was having 3 switches, so I used like that, and I'm going to make a video and show that too. So these are the frames for my project. There are some Mother's Day leftovers. I'm going to use these 2. I'm going to decorate elephant, and I love elephants, and this has got like nice, may I call it as boho? Correct me if I'm wrong. The boho art is already there on the elephant, and I'm going to decorate and embellish this elephant more. So I loved this one. I picked one of those, and I got this nice perfume bottle board. So I'm going to decorate this and embellish it more. So this is also one of the things. And I can't believe I found this in Dollar Tree. This is the art stuff. Cutting mat with all the calibrations on it. Can't believe. Dollar Tree sometimes amazes me with stuff like this. I'm going to use these also to one of my projects. And I got like a bunch of shells. I want to do a beach decor, so I'm going to use this for that. Can't believe Dollar Tree has this. I found this in Michael's, and they have a glass paint pen. I got only 2 of them. I wish I had more colors. I could only get like green and black. So I'm going to use this and give a review on this as well, and I'll also use in one of the projects, upcoming projects, and show you how it works. And back to school stuff, this lavender color, my love for lavender color, I couldn't leave it alone. I had to bring home, so maybe I'll put my craft stuff, or I'll give it to my daughter. So I love this. And of course the sparkles, I'm going to use this, one of my projects. And I picked up some gemstone stickers and adhesive wrap for my project. Burlap Ribbon, it's got nice lace, I'm going to use in one of the projects. And this one is also having nice decor, so I'm going to use these two. Of course, jute twine. It's got a nice green one too, so I'm going to use. I love this. It's got 3 for $1. And some plumes in one of the upcoming projects. This is the cutest stuff I saw. The plaque. You can write whatever you want. I want to customize it. I'm going to put it somewhere in my home, around the house. Some of the tape. I got this nice stake lights I used in the past, and they all really works well. It comes at least like a year or two. I don't have to change, and they're so cute for $1. I got one of these string lights for one of the projects. This is like a ring holder, I think. Yeah, ring holder. It's so cute. Purple pineapple. I'm going to use this mirror also in one of the projects. I need this handsaw to cut some of the wood pieces. Mixing bowl for cake making. I picked up funnel cake mix, and I also got the cheesecake one, but my daughter loved it, so she made cheesecake. So some cashews. Can't believe they have planters, peanuts. It's awesome. And this is the most cool stuff. Sriracha salt. I haven't seen anywhere. So this is so cool. And I love this green color. Microwave bowl. So it's like, I think it looks like Rachel Ray's collection. So I loved it. I picked one. I forgot to show this palette knife. I'm going to use this for one of the projects. And dowel sets. Craft wood dowel for one of my upcoming projects. It's so beautiful. They're in almost all colors, and I like the shine of white and rainbow colors, so I picked this one. I'm going to use this for one of the projects. Got this blue flowers, the white flowers. So I'm going to use this for one of the projects. Can't believe they have this for salts. Lavender again, the bath salts. Can't believe it's for $1. I love this, so I picked one of these. Glade in Dollar Tree. Got lotus blossom. And it's so nice smell. And I got self-adhesive wall tile. I picked. I'm going to stick in the kitchen or maybe backsplash, and also some of the bathroom around the mirror. And I got, this is my favorite one. It's got like nice colors. So I got like maybe 7 of them. So I'm going to do this, stick it in my bathroom and kitchen. This is the most beautiful one I've seen, like removable wall tile. I'm not going to put on the wall, but I'm going to use in one of the upcoming projects. And let me show you, I got one of them. They were running out of the tissues, so finally we have a lot of soft tissues. So I picked a couple. And got like nice chargers. Rose gold and silver. They got this nice quality. I saw this in Michael's for $2 or $3, and the same quality I saw in Dollar Tree, so I picked 2 colors. And this is like a marble one, marble plate for the marble tray, and a gold one. So some of them I'm gonna use as the projects, and some of them I'm gonna use around the house. And the platter, I'm gonna use this for one of the projects. So this is the backsplash wall sticker around the kitchen, back of the kitchen stove. So I'm going to stick there, and this is comes handy, the kneeling pad when I'm doing the gardening stuff. And my pool noodle. I'm going to do a project with the pool noodle, and I'll show you. So yeah, I'm almost done. So I got this houseplant fertilizer spikes for my home plant, indoor plants. And this one, I don't know what this is. I just picked it. It's a self-portrait light, and I'm going to use this and give a review on that. And this ring phone holder, I love this. I used for one of my other phone. I bought another one of this, so for my other phone. And this one is so cute. It's a cable protector. You know, the cables get really destroyed towards the plugging part. So I got 2 of these, and I got already one. It's working really well. So I got 2 of this. So yeah, these are all the nice haul I got from Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and also click on the bell icon. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.